Toss everything into one trash bag, and you guarantee that perfectly good materials are buried in a landfill forever. Once food scraps mix with paper and plastic, it all becomes unusable waste. This daily habit at the household level quickly scales up to a city-wide problem, putting direct pressure on fragile coastlines and marine life, like the delicate ecosystems right here along the bays of Muscat. But you can fix this at the source. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to build a customized 3-bin waste sorting system for your home. To start, you only need 3 empty bins, a marker, some paper or sticky labels, and a basic understanding of your local municipal pickup rules. By setting up this structure right in your kitchen, you intercept these valuable materials before they cross the threshold into permanent trash. Step 1 is placement. Set up your 3 distinct bins in a high-traffic, easily accessible spot in your kitchen, so using them is as easy as tossing something away. The first bin is for your recyclables. This holds materials that can be processed and reused, specifically clean paper, plastic containers, glass bottles, and metal cans. The second bin is for organic waste. This is where you put items that can break down into compost, like food scraps, fruit peels, and yard clippings. The third bin captures the non-recyclable waste destined for the landfill. Think dirty packaging, diapers, and thin plastic wraps. Now, we need to eliminate the guesswork. If someone hesitates at the bins, they will likely guess wrong. Clear labeling completely removes that specific friction. Let's look at the blueprint. Apply standard color codes: blue for recyclable, green for organic, black for non-recyclable. Next, snap an icon onto each bin: a bottle for blue, an apple core for green, and an X for black. Now everyone knows exactly where items go. When people aren't sure, they often guess that an item is recyclable, a habit called wish-cycling that can easily contaminate the entire batch. Clear icons provide the visual clarity needed to significantly reduce these sorting errors at the bin. With the bins ready, hold a quick family meeting. Everyone in the household needs to understand how this new protocol works. You can drive adoption by explaining how this helps local businesses and the city of Muscat as a whole. For younger kids, turn correct sorting into a game with small rewards to build the habit. The biggest threat your family needs to avoid is contamination. One dirty food wrapper can ruin an entire bag of clean cardboard and plastic. To prevent this, take 5 seconds to scrape leftover food out of jars, rinse plastic containers under the tap, and crush them to save space. Also, keep an eye on the volume. Overstuffing your bins makes the system messy and difficult to manage, which discourages everyone from using it correctly. Empty them regularly. If you don't have a backyard garden for your organic compost bin, check for local community composting programs or municipal green waste drop-offs in your area. Following these cleaning protocols ensures that your sorted materials enter the recycling stream as viable, high-quality feedstock for the manufacturing industry. Now for the final step. When the black bin is full, tie off the bag of non-recyclables and place it out for your standard municipal landfill pickup. However, there is a critical exception rule for hazardous materials. Items like dead batteries, discarded old electronics, and harsh household chemicals cannot enter this 3-bin system. Create a secondary, isolated holding zone, like a sturdy box on a garage shelf, to store these dangerous goods until taking them to a municipal drop-off site. Keeping these volatile outliers out of the standard municipal stream prevents chemical leaks and fires. It is the final, essential defense mechanism in managing your home waste safely. Take a look at your kitchen. With the bins labeled and the rules established, you have built a functional framework for a consistent, household-wide recycling habit. This flowchart represents the circular economy, a system where materials are continuously reused rather than thrown away. Your home sorting system is the crucial first node in this loop. Because you took the time to separate and clean your waste, those materials travel from your house to a processing facility, where they are remanufactured into new products. Check your local municipal website for hazardous waste drop-off days, and read through the Golden Future Recycling Guide to dive deeper. You are now equipped to build a cleaner, greener future, starting right in your own kitchen.